bright and early this morning. Going into my aunt's house to help her clean some stuff that she can't reach because I'm taller. Also, got the camera there. Fixed it this time. We've arrived in the middle of nowhere, which is where my aunt lives. My aunt has a dog, and we came in, and it didn't bark or anything, and we found out that it's sleeping, so it's a heavy sleeper. I woke up the dog. Bye, Max. Bye. Are you Pokemon hunting? Are you Pokemon hunting? We're back home. I have to ship out these textbooks so I can get some extra money. And then it will be time for the room. This is the mess I accrued while packing these packages. Hello. So a week ago I got a panini maker, and we don't have like the right bread at home, so I've been trying different breads, and I'm just gonna stop inside and grab some focaccia bread, I think. I don't know how to pronounce it. Alright, now I'm gonna head home. I'm ready, I'm psyched. We're gonna demolish this room, get it done. We're gonna organize it, and we're gonna pack. Yes! As I'm setting up shots, the boxes fell.